Hey guys, welcome to another Unity video. So today I'm gonna show you guys how to make your brush skin have a wobbly neck like smashing. I would be in other videos when I first found out about this, and people would say, "How do I make the neck wobble?" And so I'm gonna show you guys how to make the neck wobble like smashing. So first you got it might be like blue, but you gotta just go to prefab and unpack it, and then just open it up till you find the neck. So then, when you're at the neck thing, you gotta go to add component, VLC, Fizzbones, and then when you're here, you would be like, what do I do next? Pull, spring, and gravity. I recommend putting it like this. You guys can go stop and pause the video so you guys can see. And then make this probably like, I'm gonna put it as just 13. So then, when you gotta press play so you can see it. So then, when you press play, it will be like this. So press scene. Then go to brush, baby. Then you'll be like, now what? Now your neck is wobbly, like smashing. But I realized that when the neck is like this, and it looks all smooth and stuff, in the game, it's not that smooth, but in the neck will go like, it will end up being like, it will just go like this. It will make it like go weird, but, so if you guys ever want to make a smashing, brush, then there you go. So now that's how to make the neck all wobbly like smashing. And so please sub and like for more videos. I might start doing Unity ones for now with VRChat. But anyways, have a rest night or day. Goodbye.